Well, here's the problem. There was a water damage. Okay, you see all the pieces, all the wood is like done. So whoever sleep here, there is no support. There is a possibility of collapse here, and you know what happened if it collapses. Nobody want to die. Okay, so what we decide to do, we decide to repair all this. We're gonna strip from here down there, take all the windows down, make all this repair. Ah, nice. What is this? We're having camping, but we already find a nice, I don't know what they call this. What do they call it? That goal to take all this like woods, take them off, clean the metal parts, paint it, take this one down, remodel it, bring it back. Same thing we do on this side. Take this one. I'm not gonna be do anything with the roof because so much work. I can't afford it on no time. This is what we're gonna do so far for this. Take a trip with it, see how it goes, come back and update the RV.